Alright guys, welcome back to a patrol video. Today we're going to be going out with the Dallas County Sheriff's Office. We're going to be doing a patrol. Got myself this BMW right here. I'm going to go ahead and get right into this. Dispatch, this is 1 Foxtrot 28, good show me 10-8. If this red vehicle right here, I believe. Dispatch, can I get a plate ran on this vehicle? It's going to be a red SUV. It's going to be a HHK8834. Got no insurance. He's running for me. We're going to have our sirens on. But get him pulled over. Alright, so he's completely ignoring us right now. Dispatch, this is 1 Foxtrot 28. Can I get spike strips southbound on US Route 13? Spikes replaced. They were unsuccessful. I don't know if they placed them out, but they claim that they did. Dispatch, can I get another set of spike strips placed down southbound on Interstate 1?
Assistance required east of Los Fuentes Blanca Ranch on Los Santos Freeway, Vinewood Hills.
Are we on another unit laying down spikes? Got it right there. Shoot right in between. Come on, man, and you get out the vehicle with your hands up. Get on the ground. Come on, man. Ma'am, get out of the vehicle. Stop driving. Stop driving. Get out. Get out of the vehicle, ma'am. Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle or you're getting shot. Ooh, she just ran me over. Dispatch, suspect just ran me over. Get out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle or you are getting shot, ma'am. Get out of your vehicle. Get on the ground. Sorry, ma'am. Get down. Listen to our commands.
Do not resist. You're under review.
Anything on your person that's gonna poke, stick, or stab me, let me know now. I gotta pat you down before I get a transport for you. There's nothing illegal on your person. Alright, ma'am. Go ahead and get you in my partner's unit right here. I'm gonna get your charges ready. I am gonna have to search your vehicle before I take it down to the impound lot.
I'm covering you. Units, we have a gang shootout in progress. All units available. Respond immediately.
God. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and search your vehicle, make sure there's nothing illegal in here either. Okay. Let's go ahead and call a tow truck for her vehicle. I think she's gonna be getting charged for slaying and loading and driving around without insurance. Gonna go here, Heather Hills. Arrest report, driving offenses right here, driving without insurance, evading the police, failure to stop, careless driving, and reckless endangerment. That's something should all be getting charged for. We're gonna go ahead and get them out of here. Alright, Mom. Thanks for the assistance. I'm gonna get out of here. Got a tow truck en route. Dispatch, go ahead, show me back code 4.
Attention all units, code 4, no additional officers needed. Officers report possible 148 east of the CNT building on
Just watch that pursuit fly straight by me. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can catch up. He's fleeing from a traffic stop. It's gonna be a EQI. His first 3 digits on the license plate. We're gonna go ahead and try to catch up. We got Air 1 on him. I got a visual on the suspect. Or just went straight through the fence. Knock me off my bike. Stop driving! Stop driving, you're gonna get shot! Yeah, you keep on moving. Let's go get back on my bike. Man, come on. Stop the vehicle. Dispatch, I need pursuit backup.
Assistance required west of the Tiki Lala on Eclipse Boulevard in West Vinewood. Backup required on West Eclipse Boulevard in West Vinewood.
Suspect spinning out. It's on the sidewalk. Just ran my bike and managed to stay on. LSPD take priority. The suspect just ran my bike. Suspect out. Dispatcher got shots fired. I got one tire out on the vehicle. Get on the ground. Do not run or you're getting shot. Alright, go ahead and secure them, search your vehicle. It's a bundle of fake license blanks. Something silly. What I can go ahead and do with that. Let's go ahead and get a tow truck room for her car.
Flatbed. Assistance required on Eclipse Boulevard, West Vinewood.
Alright, ma'am. Have anything on your person that's gonna poke, stick, or stab me? Let me know now. I gotta patch you down before I get you down to the station. Here's a Ziploc bag full of spark plugs. Alright. I'm gonna let you out these cuffs just a second, ma'am. Have you ever performed a field sobriety
We
test?
have a possible 503 south of Galileo Park Observatory on
You are not free to go. I'm just giving you a chance to prove your sobriety to me, ma'am. I'm gonna go ahead and get you out the middle of this road.
out of the building. It appears to be
Alright, ma'am. Have you ever performed a horizontal gaze? I just need you to focus on the tip of this pencil for me, alright?
citizens report a disturbance.
Dispatch, show me on the scene. Alright. She has failed this DUI test right here. Alright, ma'am. Once you go ahead and lift one of your legs up in the air and count until I tell you to stop. Alright, mom, that's perfectly fine. Can I go ahead and get you turned around then?
325. Dept his neighbor says our guy just
Alright, ma'am. Right now you're gonna be going down to the station. You're gonna be going. You're gonna be under arrest for a DUI. Have you ever performed a drug swab test, ma'am? I just need to get a test from the inside of your cheek so we can make sure you haven't consumed any illegal drugs recently. I'm going to have my buddy provide this to you. Alright, ma'am, that is totally up to you. I'm going to go ahead and get one of these cops to take you down to the station. I'm going to go ahead and get your charges ready for you here. She already got a warrant out for her arrest. That's why she was fleeing. What just happened in the background? Refusal to submit to the testing, speeding, hit and run, evading police. Everything she's going to be getting charged for right now, so my charges right there.
Tiki Lala on Eclipse Boulevard in West Vinewood.
Alright, dispatch goes from back code 4108.
Baseball bat in the street. 20 on your screens.
You're gonna ping on this vehicle right here for having a suspended license. We're gonna go ahead and light him up.
I'll let you know if I need backup.
Copy that.
Dispatch could show me on a traffic stop south on Carson Avenue with a gray SUV. Hey sir, can I go ahead and get your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance to this vehicle? Alright, thank you, man. I'm running this back to dispatch and I'll be right back with you, sir.
Target vehicle license plate. Tom John Sam 1924. A traffic felony. Approach
Just gotta
with caution.
suspend the license. It's something I got against him right now. Fortunately, I can't let him drive this vehicle away with a suspended license. Alright, look, man, I'm gonna go ahead and have to ask you to step out the vehicle. I can't let you drive this without a license. Does your passenger by chance have a license? I didn't even notice him with the tent. Go over there and ask him. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Hey, sir. Can I go get your ID? Driver's license if you have one. Alright, sir. Can I go get your ID, man? Alright, thank you, ma'am. Go ahead and run this back to dispatch, see if you got an active driver's license. Alright, look. You can drive this vehicle away if you'd like. I went ahead and let them drive away. I'm gonna go ahead and get him a notice to court through the mail. We're gonna go through here. Paying loans, it's right here. He does not have a driver's license. We're gonna go down here. Get him right here. License violations. Say driving without a incorrect expiration date. We're gonna go ahead and get him right there. We're gonna go get out of here. Dispatch is going straight past me. I'm gonna go ahead and join up. Dispatch, go ahead and add me on a pursuit.
Attention all units, officer down, condition unknown. Near Mission Row, respond code 3.
10:50 into a light post driving on the sidewalk. Must hit two civilians.
Mission Row.
Gonna be taking a left into the tunnel.
Susquehanna Boulevard in Mission Row.
Dispatch, can get a spike strip down on San Andreas Avenue. Dispatch, suspect is going into the airport. Like a pursuit, back up.
Backup needed on runway 1 in Los Santos International.
Stay the fuck down. Stay the fuck down. Stop running. Stop running or you're gonna get shot, man. Switching less than. Taser available. Stop running, you're gonna get tased. Taser, less than ineffective. Stay on the ground or you're getting tased. Stay on the ground, taser. Got taser. Already gave her multiple warnings. Took it down to the ground again, man. Stay down this time. Stay down.
Police! Stop whatever the hell you're doing, asshole! You're screwed!
Dispatch, we got the suspect in custody. Alright, ma'am. Alright, ma'am. If you have anything on your person, spawn, poke, stick, or stab me, you should let me know now. Gotta pat you down before I get you down to the station, ma'am. It's got multiple license plates, PCP boards, and medium Ziploc bag. Alright, ma'am, go ahead wait here. I'm gonna go ahead and search your vehicle, get a tow truck in the route, go ahead and pick it up.
Hello.
Alright. She got a loaded M4 carbine in here. That's gonna be a charge either which way due to the fact that it's loaded.
Stolen work, man.
Go ahead and run dispatch back, see if she's got a. I'll check on myself. Good, see if she's got a weapon license, get her charges ready. Come right here. And she's got a outstanding warrant for her arrest. Firearm offenses, illegal possession right here. Carrying without a permit. We're going to go to driving offenses, reckless driving, hit and run, evading police, failure to stop, careless, and reckless endangerment. That's everything I'm going to be giving her. Let's go ahead and get one of these officers, take her off the scene, get a transport unit, come pick up her, get a tow truck, come get her
Runway
vehicle.
1, Los Santos International Airport.
724 dispatch, I can be there in 3.
Copy that. You're logged on.
Alright, got that tow
Assistance
truck
required
in.
on runway 1, Los Santos International.
Dispatch, good, show me code 4.
Attention all units. Code 4. No further units required.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I got the rest of the scene.
Mailbox. Hold on.
Dispatch, could show me on a traffic stop on Lindsay Circus Avenue with a white sedan. Hey sir, can I go ahead and get your license, driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance for this vehicle, sir? Alright, thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and run this back to dispatch and I'll be right back with you.
This is 110. We're pulling out HQ.
Target vehicle license plate. Union Paul Tom 90068. A traffic violation. Approach with caution.
Dispatch, show me code 4. Alright. Let's go get him a ticket rent for driving around without insurance or registration. It just expired. It's not that big of a deal. You're charged for vehicle registration like 6 months. It's gonna be a $500 ticket and a warning. Alright, sir, look, I don't know if you're aware of this, but your vehicle's registration's expired. Right now, I just got a ticket for you. I need you to go ahead and sign the bottom of this. Not admitting guilt, it's just saying that you're going to handle it in the court or over the phone. It's however you want to do it. But, on that note, you're free to go whenever I make it back to my vehicle, man. Yeah, call about officer under fire. We're gonna go ahead and pull up on that as quick as we can. Drop your weapon! Drop your weapon, you're gonna get shot, man! Drop it! Drop your weapon! Switching to my rifle, switching to my rifle. Is that everyone? Dispatch, we need 2 ambulance. We got 3 suspects down, bare minimum. And we got EMS on scene, got 1 suspect up. He's gonna be going to the hospital and he's gonna be getting charged there. I'm getting calls of a suspect with a knife. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up with that. Code 3, make sure you can't harm nobody. There's potentially a suspect right there walking in the middle of the road. I'm gonna go ahead and get my pistol out. Come on, come on, come on, go. Move, keep moving. Hey, sir, you mind if I have a conversation with you? Hey, come on, man, I need you to stop running. Dispatch, I got eyes on the suspect. Come on, man, I need you to stop running by this freeway. You're gonna get hit. Just in less than. Come on, man, stop running. You're gonna get tased. You do not want this. Come on, man, you're about to get tased. Taser. Less than non-effective. Switch to make lethal. Come on, man, I need you to drop your weapon. Drop your fucking weapon or you get a shot. Drop the weapon or you get shot. Come on, man. Come on, man, I need you to stop running. Laser, taser. Taser deployed, less than non-effective. Dispatch, can I get pursuit backed up? Less than non-effective.
Assistance needed west of, Dorset Drive Pill Pharmacy.
Let's go.
Dorset Drive.
Stay on the ground, stay on the ground, stay on the ground, or you're getting shot. Stop running or you're getting shot, man. It's your final warning. I'm done with this.
All exits covered.
Going in for cuffs.
Attention, this is dispatch. All units, code 4. No further units required.
Alright, man. Is anything on your person that's gonna poke, stick, or stab me? Gotta patch you down before I get you in your unit.
Roger that, dispatch.
Let's get a thing of pills and a Nerf gun. Let's go ahead and get his charges ready, and we're gonna get a transport unit to take him in. Alright, but we're gonna go ahead and get a transport unit. We're gonna take him down to the station. They're gonna get the evaluated and charged down there.
On, Dorset Drive.
I'm go ahead and make my way back over to my bike and get back on this patrol. Got a call about a suspect with a firearm. We're gonna go ahead and pull up to that. We're gonna go to the 30, make sure we get there before anybody gets hurt. Dispatch could show me en route.
7 out of 7. Assistance required west of, Rockford Hills subway on, Dorset Drive, Rockford Hills.
Dispatch. Dispatch could show me on scene. Mind if I talk to you for a second?
No, who are you? What do you want?
Hey man, I just want to have a conversation with you. I get a call saying that a person with your description might
That's
have a
not
weapon
true.
on them.
You have the wrong person.
Look man, you fit the description, just cooperate and we can sort
I'm
everything out.
sorry. What do I need to do?
Alright man, just put your hands up so I can go ahead and arrest you real
Sorry.
quick, man. Alright man.
Hold up.
Like, how about this? You go ahead and pat your person down, make sure you don't have any weapons on you. If you don't have anything on your person, I can go ahead and get you back on your way. Alright man, go ahead and turn back around for me.
You are under arrest.
Fortunately, you are going to be placed under arrest for trafficking a controlled substance. I'm going to go ahead and get your... I'm going to be getting charged ready. I'm going to get a transport unit to come pick you up, man. Right here, create a arrest report. We're going to come down here to Schedule 1. Possession of F right here. That's what he's going to be getting charged for. Let's go ahead and get a transport unit to come pick him up, take him down to the station. Alright, man. Fortunately, you're going to be going in for transportation of F. I'm going to get a transport unit in to come pick you up right now.
Assistance required west of the Schwangberg South Tower.
Dispatch, could show me code 4. I got the suspect in custody.
And breaking his video game controllers into Lego pieces. The location is marked on your GPS.
We're getting calls about someone being loud. We're going to go ahead and pull up on the scene. Got the information from the call. Dispatch, could show me on scene. This is the apartment we're getting the call from. We're gonna go ahead and go up in there, knock on the door and everything. This is gonna be the last stop. So don't forget to drop a like if you're enjoying this type of content. Don't forget to subscribe so more people can see these videos. Alright, made it in here. Hey sir. We're with the police department. What's going on? I got a call that your neighbor, that you're being too loud and breaking your game controllers, man. When you're playing a video game on your console, man. Alright, look, man, I just need to calm down. Alright, look, man, I need you to calm down. Can't have you pissing off your neighbors or anything, alright? Alright, man, that's perfectly fine. Just need to calm down, alright? Look, no need to put your hands up. If you'll actually quiet down, everything will be alright, okay? Go ahead and get out of here. For the rest of the night, don't let me get another call back here or you will be getting charged, alright? Go ahead, get out of here. Alright. That's everything we're going to be doing tonight. Let's go ahead and go through our court cases, everything that we got today. Got Chris Madden's right here. He's going to be getting charged with possession of F. He's getting 2 years and fined at $3,000. Got Dwayne Robertson right here. He's going to be getting $77 fines for expired registration. We got Angela Hawkins right here. She's going to be getting reckless driving, hit and run, evading police, failure to stop, careless driving, reckless endangerment, possession of a firearm, appearing without a permit. She's going to be getting 10 years, 9 months, and a fine of $7,000. We got Dwayne Lawson right here, driving with a incorrect license expiration date. He's going to be getting a $100 fine. Got Katie Chef right here. She's getting DUI first offense, refusal to submit to testing, DUI speeding, hit and run, and evading police. She's going to be getting 6 years, 4 months, fine of $5,000. We got Heather Hills right here, driving without insurance, evading police, failure to stop, careless driving, and reckless endangerment. I'm getting 10 years, fines $5,000.